Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rahil. I am from Chicago, Illinois. I'm here at the Lahore office for the clinic for Hair Club in Pakistan. I work in project management, resource management in Chicago, Illinois, and I've been having this hair fall issue for about 5 years. It's 4 or 5 years now. I'm here I came to Hair Club in Pakistan because I thought this would be the best solution. I did a lot of research, working with Dr. Nasir Rashid, knowing that his expertise, I wanted to work with him, and I'm hoping that this will be the solution to the hair fall issue that I have. The staff has been very nice, very accommodating so far. The location looks like it's state of the art. I'm hoping that this will be a good experience for me. And I'm hoping to have the hybrid session, the FUE with DHI treatment plan. So that's what I'm going to do. The process has started. And it's been going very well. It's been a painless process so far. I thought it would be a little bit more painful, but I haven't felt any pain. It's been very painless. The staff has been lovely. They've been informing me and been very transparent through every step so far. Dr. Rashid has been guiding me on everything so far, and it's been going very well. So looking forward to the next steps and then obviously the end of the procedure.